brown it now. Well, I don't know if I want to brown it or not. Looks pretty good. Maybe I'll just leave it covered. This is my homemade bread in my Dutch oven. I'm going to use a cup and a half of warm water, a good healthy tablespoon of sugar, about a tablespoon of yeast, and a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this up real good in the dish right here. I probably should have waited and added not all this water, but for a little bit later on, just in case it was too much. But generally, that's worked okay. But I'm going to add my flour now. This is 3 cups of just regular gold medal flour. It's just starting to come together real good right now. That looks pretty good for me now. I'm going to cover this and let it set for an hour. It's been an hour. I'm going to knead it now for the first time, and I'm using wheat flour. I ran out of white flour, so I'll knead this and put it back in and let it set for 2 hours. It's been a couple hours, so I'm going to knead it this last time here. You can see how much it's raised in the bowl now, so you'll notice that when I knead my bread, I don't knead it very much. Seems to work out okay for me. I'm going to form it into a loaf now. I had a half a cup of white flour left over, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on the top here before I score it. I use some parchment paper for liners inside my Dutch oven. It keeps it from sticking the bread at all, and also it's a lot easier to handle to put it inside the hot pot and also take it out. I'm going to put a little score on the top of it here so it'll expand a little bit. Looks pretty cool when after it bakes and it opens up. And I'm going to cover this for 25-30 minutes while my Dutch oven is in the oven, preheating it at 425 degrees. Really careful handling these hot pots when you pull it out of there to put the bread in it. It's easy to get burnt. I'm going to put the bread in now and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Check on it. Yeah, it's been 25 minutes. Looks pretty good to me. This usually at 425 is about all it takes with these Dutch ovens when they get hot. I like it when they get just a little bit brown and maybe even burnt a little bit on the bottom. Get a little crusty. Well, I'm going to give it the old thump test here. Sounds nice and solid and hollow inside. Well, that's the way I bake my bread in a Dutch oven.